If your body's feeling a little bit not quite awake yet, you're in the right place. Let's wake things up. Click. Ooh, that feels just about right. Let's start with our neck and our shoulders. Little shoulder roll, shrug, shrug, and back, maybe the other side. Neck, side to side, ear towards shoulder, very gentle motion. We're not going all the way, just we stop right before. Looking down, looking up, gentle movement, not all the way. I know you can go further, but don't. And to the side, let's see what's going on, huh? Oh. Mini twist. Hey, let's bring the hands down. If you need to double up your mat for your knees, do so. I think I'm gonna do that today myself. Just fold your mat for your knees. There, nice extra padding, maybe something under your hands if you want to. Oh, just feel yourself right now. Just feel your body, see where it's at. We're gonna slowly align this, making the wrist under our shoulder, fingers a little bit, our hands a little tiny bit out. So like the peace love sign would be like straight, like a straight line. It's just a little bit here. Knees under the hips. Nice tabletop pose. Oh, let's just check what's going on. Oh, just very mild cats and cow. We're just exhaling the air out and inhaling it in just a little bit. We're not staying there long. We're gonna shift hips side to side, just waking up. Just waking up. Oh, just checking our weight move and shift from one side and the other. So you can bend the elbows here or just one. Shifting the weight. Now you want to shift it forward. Shift it a little bit forward here. Forward and back. Forward and back. Bumps towards your heels. Bump towards your hands. Your bums are moving here, guiding you. Nice. Let's do it's like a thread the needle, but it's over the needle. So we're not gonna park our arm down. We're just gonna over with the floor. Check this out. Do it with me. It'll be fun. If anything hurts or don't feel right, skip it. Skip it, skip it, skip it. And please do read the disclaimer here. So let's inhale one arm and bring it under the other. We're overing. We're not staying there long. Inhale back. Just that for now. Inhale. Hi. Exhale. I'm overing. I'm not like going all the way in. Just over. And switch a few times. Yeah, involve your hips, your body a little more into that. Next time you're centered into your tabletop, stay there. We're gonna add to this. We're gonna add an inhale in. No, it's an exhale in. I'm sorry. Inhale, open, and just remember to breathe if it's too much. Hello. Exhale in. Inhale out. Hello. Your hand don't have to go super high. It can be on your hip. Other side. So note that I don't count them. I don't say 1 and then 2. No. We do about the same amount on both sides. We don't want to complicate things here. You can go very, very slow. Over. We don't go all the way. Oh, nice. We're just waking up the body here. We're not like Gumby stretch. No Gumby stretch. Not today. Not today. No Gumby stretch today. Now let's bring the hands forward. We're not going in puppy, but it's like a baby puppy. Just bring your hands forward and exhale the elbows down. Your bum shift a little bit towards your heel. Again, we're overing. And then just bring your hips forward. So hips back. Hips forward. Hips back. You can do it on an exhale and on an inhale. Forward. Nice rocking motion. And let's get back into our tabletop. Tabletop. Here we are. Shift, shift, shift. Keep coming until you're sitting. We're going back in our sitting position here. Yeah, there's line that helps lining up in the back, but with the camera, it's just a distraction. So I put it the mat on this side. Now let's make room for a bum. Take a little bit of the flesh on the side. Make a little room to be comfortable and grounded. Don't force your knee down. You just want your leg to naturally go towards the ground. Little gravity here. Little wrist, fingers. If your body would like to continue, I have many short little videos like this, and they stack up well. So pick yourself a few more and keep going if that's what you're in the mood for today. And I will see you there. Namaste.